I speak Swahili English. Okay, okay. Start. Start again, Sarah. Ah. Ah. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, guys. How are you? How are you? Ama vipi leo? Tuko hapa. Today we are working on a gas fitting. As you see, this is the layout we did yesterday with my engineer there. That's my engineer, Sabikram. That's my engineer, assistant engineer Thomas here. So this is the layout. It's a 50 copper pipe. As you see, we have connected. We have elbow here. We have the wall plate elbow also. We have the clips. As you see, the work has gone very well. Okay. Also, we use Boss White for Boss White for tightening the wait.